Hey guys, so I wanted to do a little quick video about depression because it is something that I have a lot of experience in. I still struggle with it today, and I wanted to, talk to you guys a little bit about like what I've gone through and how I've overcome it sometimes and how it's even come back. Anthony Bourdain, he passed away last week, and it brought a lot of perspective and brought a reminder to me that like it is important to reach out to people. I started having depression when I was about 12 years old, and I was on depression meds all the way up through high school, and it was a roller coaster. Emotionally, I was a wreck. Physically, I was overweight. I was sick all the time, antisocial. A lot of people didn't really know I had depression, just because I was just one of those bubbly people. But when I went home, it was not the greatest thing. But there is, help out there. There is people that actually care about, people in this world battling depression, and I'm one of those people. As an adult, it was a lot worse because you have a lot more stress, and when you are, as a kid, have depression and you don't know how to deal with it, being an adult and having all these extra stresses make it that worse. So for me, I had my religion that helped a lot. Seeking like counsel from my pastors, that was important. Also having good friends that listen. The hard part is it is taxing on friends, and sometimes you can push people away doing that, and that's even more depressing. But it is important to identify that, like, if you are depressed and you are sad and you don't know why, you need to talk to somebody, and sometimes you have to get professional help, and that's something I did. And it helps you gain skills on how to overcome things. So how I battle, depression nowadays is I actually honestly, try to go to the gym. That actually brings a lot of good endorphins in your body that actually make you feel happier. Also do things that you like. That's kind of part of the reason why I did Feed the Masses. I was tired of working for people that didn't care about me. I was tired of working for businesses that only cared about themselves and what they can gain the most out of other people. And I just wanted to, do something different. I wanted to help the community. I wanted to help people. But I find it very interesting that a lot of depression actually can come from your job itself, and it's all because we're in a rat race of trying to find the best job that can, benefit us. And I think it's just one of those things that, like, you have to also be happy with what you got and find gratitude that, like, you have a job. That mindset actually does help. But on top of that, I think also the good idea is to just, if you're not happy doing what you're doing, find something that you are happy doing. And even if it's for a short term, like a year or two, then find another thing that makes you happy. But it's just one of those things that, like, don't be stuck in a place that you're not happy at. And that's why I created Feed the Mass. And now I get to have a platform where I can talk to my followers, and I can talk to people that have taken my classes, and encourage people to take control of their life, and take control of things that they can control. The world is something we can't always control. Even our circumstances we can't always control, but there is this we can control. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got. We've had a post before about some suicide or depression help you can get. I'll put those links down below. Comment down below as well and let me know what you think. I'm interested in like hearing your thoughts. Maybe even like if you want to share something, write a little blurb, I would appreciate it. I'll be putting this on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I know Twitter and Instagram won't have the full video, so I'll be telling everybody to go to Facebook to see the full video. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. God bless, and please, 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 if you can't talk to anybody, you can talk to me. All right, I love you guys. Keep supporting what we're doing, and if you have any questions, I look forward to talking to you. Have a good day. God bless.